Republican Congressman Ron Paul of Texas joins us now over the phone from Lake Jackson in Texas. Congressman, welcome back to the program. It's always good to have you on.
Thank you, Stuart. Good to be with you.
We've been reporting that the U.S. Mint says they sold 190,000 gold eagle American coins in the month of May alone. There was a rush to it. But I want to say to you, is that necessarily good news for the economy? Because no jobs are created when you're running your money into gold.
Well, no, but when you spend TARP funds and the Fed creates $2 trillion and they spend it, they don't create jobs either. They sort of waste the money. But it is still good for people to save and preserve capital, and that's what I think people want to do. They're recognizing that the usual investments don't protect them, and they're trying to save capital. So they're trying to overcome this notion that capitalism is moved by the Fed creating credit out of thin air and getting consumers to spend money. So it's the market saying that you should save and preserve your capital for another day when you might take that and sell the gold or invest the gold or loan the gold or do something productive.
Forgive me for asking and forgive me for pressing the point, but I would like to ask you where you think the price of gold is going to go. I know you're big on investing in gold. You like it. It's a store of value.
Yeah.
Would you give me a price a year from now or a month from now? Would you do that?
Not precisely, because I obviously don't know, but I think long term it's a lot easier. 1 year or 2 years, difficult. But, you know, I got interested when it was $35 an ounce, so the direction was upward, and it continues upwards. And when you think that when the Fed was created it was $20, now it's $1,200, so it's a good measurement. I don't buy gold coins as an investment. I do it to preserve my savings. And
Congressman, do you buy the coins, or do you invest in gold mining shares, or do you put your money into a gold mutual fund? How do you do it?
Well, I've over the years have bought coins because I like to, have possession. But no, I'll buy some gold shares too. But now that's closer to an investment because you're dealing with management and dealing with maybe they hit a strike, and so that's an investment and you have to evaluate it. But coins and buying gold, I see it as not so much as buying gold and betting on the price of gold going up, but betting on our government ruining the value of our money. And so it really is a negative toward the dollar being a long-term hedge against higher prices because, what would you rather do? Would you put $10,000 of gold in a shoebox or $10,001 bills in a shoebox and wait for 5 years?
I think you got me, Congressman.
Nobody does that.
I think you got me, sir. I got to tell you, by the way, that we had a coin dealer on the program this morning. He bought some gold with him, and I got to hold in my hand a 1 kilo bar. And Congressman Paul, it feels pretty good, I got to say.
Yeah, there is a difference.
Yes, sir.
People, even a small child, I've noticed, if you show them, a fake coin or a piece of silver, a piece of gold, they notice the difference. So there's something about real value that makes the difference.
I like that bit about a shoebox full of dollar bills versus a shoebox with real gold coin. Congressman Paul, you can come on the show anytime you like. We appreciate you being with us, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
California's budget remains a mess. We plant our flag there every day, nonetheless.